back again with another gluten-free recipe. Today we're going Thai style again because I'm obsessed and because it's just delicious. So my mother-in-law, Joby, she makes this amazing tuna salad that I was blown away by. There's ginger in it, there's lemongrass, there's chili peppers, there's onions. In Thai, yum translates into English as salad. All right, let's do it. There you have it, some beautiful Yum Tuna. So as you see, it's very colorful. It's gonna be so delicious. Let's try it. We eat it like a salad, like a snack, and the family, they'll put like tortilla chips actually can go with it. You can pair it with rice, but today I found some cucumbers that we're gonna eat with it, and probably along with some rice for lunch. Thank you for all of your support on the channel. Please continue to like and subscribe to my videos. Keep cooking, everybody.